welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's episode, we are going to see some lovely collections of function wear sarees, very pretty designs and lovely combinations. It's going to be Chanderi, Kota, different materials we have. I will explain you about the material whenever I show you the sarees. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A lovely pink color Chanderi saree, a very classy design and a beautiful color combination and a lovely design. Both the sides we have a zari border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful leaf pattern design running along the saree, which makes the saree really rich. And the zari design is also very subdued in light copper and silver zari. Very minute color combination, lovely pattern, and the color is a mixed color of light pink. This is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1740. We have some lovely color combinations in the same pattern. I'll show you the other combinations. This is a light peachish pink. The next comes a lovely green, light green, very pastel shades. Look, these color combinations will look really classy when you wear a very pretty color, light green. This is the body of the saree, and this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, and the blouse is running plain blouse. This is a light green. The next comes a peach color. That was a peachish pink, and this is more of a peach color itself. A very beautiful color combo, peach and orange mixed shade. This is a lovely color combo and a beautiful design. Looks really classy when you wear, and a very beautiful rich pallu. A lovely saree, and the price of the saree is 1740. The next combo is a lovely combination, a very light yellow, more of a sandal, a darker sandal shade, or a light yellow. Very beautiful color, lovely it looks, very pretty. And this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1740. This is again a very beautiful tissue saree, a very lovely material and a very flowy material. This is a light golden color. In that we have a beautiful pink color border, a lovely pattern. Throughout the body we have a beautiful wavy design running along the saree, very pretty design and a pretty combo. And this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, and a very beautiful blouse for this saree. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1900. This is again a beautiful lovely Chanderi, a tissue Chanderi, but the fall of the saree is really very soft and nice. It's not hard, it's really soft. It's a completely antique zari work which has been done. Both the sides we have black color contrast border, and throughout the body we have black color weaving running along the saree, and the body you have tissue also on the off-white on the beige color. And this is the pallu of the saree, a beautiful rich pallu, and a very beautiful lovely contrast blouse. You don't need to design these blouses, they themselves are very rich. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1740. This is again a beautiful tissue Chanderi saree, a very lovely and a flowy material, beautiful color combo, a beige with a nice red color combination on the contrast, completely antique zari. So since antique zari, it looks really very subtle and very beautiful. Both the sides we have a contrast border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful weaving in copper zari, very pretty combination and a pretty work. This is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, and a very beautiful contrast blouse for this saree. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1740. This is a tissue kota material, lovely pattern, beautiful design, a beautiful grey with a pink color combination border, a very contrast beautiful border, and throughout the body we have a self design running along the saree, and it's a completely meenakari work, very subtle and beautiful work done along the saree, a lovely pattern. This is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, and this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1690. This is a lovely tissue chanderi sari, a very very beautiful and lovely combination and an antique work completely done. Both the sides we have a contrast border, and the zari woven which is completely done is an antique zari. So look really classy and wow sari. A beautiful weaving running throughout the body of the sari, a lovely pattern. And this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu, and we have a beautiful blouse for this sari. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1740. This is again a very very nice kota material, a lovely design. This is a mixed kota, and both the sides we have a Ganga Jamuna border of one side gold and the other side it's a silver zari, and throughout the body we have beautiful polka dots running along the sari in silver and gold mix, alternatively designed silver and gold. Very very pretty combo, a lovely design. And this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the blouse of the sari, a plain blouse, and the price of the sari is 1120. We have some lovely color combination in this pattern, and this is slightly transparent material. You need to if you pleat it, it will not be too transparent, otherwise it will be slightly transparent. I'll tell you about the material also. The next color combo in this is a lovely baby pink, a rose milk pink, beautiful combo. This is the body of the sari, a beautiful color combo, lovely design, looking really pretty and will look really rich when you wear. And this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, a very very pretty combo, and the blouse will be a plain blouse for this, and the price of the sari is 1120. The next is a light green, a very pretty combo, very very light green, very subtle color, beautiful color, lovely green. And this is the pallu of the sari, a very very neat rich pallu, and this is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1120. The next is a nice tomato pink, looks awesome. The colors are all really really very nice. This is the body of the sari, a beautiful color combo with a nice silver and gold combination in the same sari, which make the sari look really class. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1120. This is a beautiful black chanderi material, a lovely design, what a wow combination, a thread and a zari design mixed in the same sari, a beautiful border. Both the sides we have a lovely zari and a thread border design which is being done in the border, very very beautiful pattern of the border. And the body we have completely a diagonal pattern design running along the sari, very very pretty combination, yellow and pink mix, and a beautiful silver copper zari, very very subtle zari running along the border. And this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu with tassels, and the blouse of the sari is a very very rich blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1540. We have some beautiful combination, the same pattern. I'll show you the other color combinations. The next comes a lovely pink, a very very pretty pink, nice pink, a beautiful pattern, a lovely design, a lovely pattern. This is the body of the sari, a lovely pattern, and this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu, and again the blouse is going to be a very very classy rich blouse, and the price of the sari is 1540. The next is a beautiful ink blue. It's not navy blue nor MS blue, it's more of an ink blue. This is the body of the sari, a lovely design, lovely combination, thread and a zari mixed borders, body, very very classy body, look really nice when you wear for some parties and all. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is a rich jacquard blouse, a very very pretty one, a lovely pattern. The price of the sari is 1540. The next is a lovely red, beautiful combo, lovely design. This is the body of the sari, a red color combination, a very very subtle red, not too bright, very beautiful red. And this is the pallu of the sari, lovely rich pallu, and the blouse is completely a brocade blouse, rich blouse, and the price of the saree is 1540. This is a lovely matka silk saree, very nice material and a very flowy material. We have a beautiful copper zari, than a copper zari, it's a light rosewood color zari, very pretty combinations. Throughout the body we have digital print running along the saree, and inside the saree also we have small weaving in the zari pattern. Very subdued design, like no, it's not too bright, looking really pretty. And this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, very classy one. And the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1860. We have some lovely combinations and colors in this pattern, very beautiful material. This is a light gold color. The next is a beautiful light gray, lovely design, and all the borders are very pretty. It's light rosewood color, very pretty combination. This is the body of the saree, a lovely design. And this is the pallu of the saree, a pretty pallu, all Banarasi weaving. This is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1860. The next color combo in that is a beautiful green, a lovely green, very pretty combo. A beautiful ilachi green, lovely one. And this is the pallu of the saree, a lovely pallu, a beautiful one. And the blouse of the saree will be this is the blouse of the saree, a printed one, and the price of the saree is 1860. We have one more beautiful combination in this, that's a light peachish pink and peach mix only, more of a rosewood color, a very beautiful combination, lovely design, and the border is very pretty in this, very subdued, but it looks really elegant when you wear. And this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1860. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the collection. Very different color combination, very different designs and patterns. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.